Hi, Mr. Shivam.
हाय दीपक जी बोलिए.
I want to ask you, what is the new oil in the world? Please explain.
Yeah, that's a great question asked by Deepak. That what is the new oil? The new oil is going to be, because there is a previous told can say the corporate world says that the country which has more oil, which has more power, you know, the countries says to each other that the one country, the which country which has more oil will be the most powerful country. Like you can say about Russia. Why is Russia powerful? Because it has the ability to create too much, we can say too much weapons, but as well as the weapons are there. But if Russia will not make weapons, it will also survive. Why? Because of it has too much land. He can grow grow like we can say grow a lot of types of grains at his field, at this that place. So what I am saying that Russia has one way to earn money, that is by selling weapons. The second way to earning money by growing grains at his field, because it has a lot of field area. And the third one, that is the most important way to earn money for Russia, that is to sell oil, because Russia has a lot of a lot of bhandar, we can say bhandar of oil. You know, Russia has a tons of bhandar of oil. So that's why, because Russia has the oil, oil is the power. Because every country needs oil to run their economy. If I want to run my economy, then I can. I'm assuming that I am a country, this is America, and I want to run my economy. Then transportation will be there. Factories will use transportation. For transportation, vehicle needs diesel or petrol, whatever the fuel is. But to make diesel or make petrol, you will need crude oil. By refining crude oil, you will get petrol or diesel or different types of oil. But what different types of oil become? By which mixture? Because of crude oil. Crude oil. Who sell crude oil? Crude oil is sold by Russia in the world of today. Those are other countries also like Iran. There are some other countries. But the but the Russia is the most biggest country to sell oil. Like you can see from the last 1 or 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, no, from the last I can say 9 to 1 year, 9 months to 1 year. Yeah, you should see that there was a war between Ukraine and Russia. America has sanctioned on Russia that no one will, any other country will not buy the oil of Russia. America has sanctioned. After the sanction, India bought the oil from Russia on discounted price. Because of what? Because of to run the economy normally. Normally. That's why the oil was bought by Russia, bought by India from Russia. Because oil is the prana, oil is the soul to run the economy. But we can say nowadays we are going to changing our dependency on oil to electric vehicles, but that is not going to be on today. Take some more time, yeah, to to make your dependency to from electric vehicles. But if we talk about today, we will have to make a dependency on oil, because oil gives us the the power to the power to make our economy sorry sir, to make our economy uh, growing. But now we are going to, but Mr. Deepak has asked that why, what is the new oil? I am quoting the quotes of some Buddhijeevis that they have told that the new oil is going to be the data. Data is to be the new oil for the. What I said that the company who sells oil, who sells crude oil, that has power to run the economy of the world, because every economy will run on the basis of oil,
Oil.
on the basis of transportation, on the basis of too much things. If you want to fly a plane, then you use oil. Then if a economy has to survive, it will need oil. But the world is saying that the oil is going to be the change, the next oil. What is the next oil? Next oil is, next oil is data.
Data.
If you have data about the specific person, we can say about the last person of the country, then you are going to be in the power, because data is the new oil. If I know that in that state, and in the state, in that city, in that village, in that home, that person needs this, then I can sell the thing to that person easily. But get the knowledge, to get the knowledge about the to get the knowledge about the about the next one's needs, we will use some way to gather data. After gathering data, we are gathering the power. Country is gathering the power if we are gathering data. So data is going to be the new oil, Mr. Deepak, because if we have a lot of data, then we can sell our product to the highest customer. If I have the data of someone's buying uh, buying choices, if the person is going to buy something, he is searching on Google, then Google sold me data that that person needs this, and I am the owner of that company, of the product of that company which he is searching about, then my company can easily convert that, because the next person is the reality, is the really uh, need that product. Are you understanding what I am saying? Yeah, we can say that I am not using that good English, but yeah, I am trying to explain everything. But please, Mr. Deepak, please confirm that have you understand whatever I have said?
I can understand.
Please give a general explanation in your words what I have said. For your audience, you can, if you want to explain. If you don't want, then there is not any force to you. I think you are not going to explain, yeah? That's not the problem. That because Mr. Deepak has fasted today, he's भूख लग रही है. He's very need to eat food. That's why he's not telling anything to anyone. Don't worry, this was only a joking part. Don't worry. So, Mr. Deepak, I think we should go on the next question. Yeah, please
Yes.
ask your next question.
I will ask
That's
you
why
one.
I want to clear every doubt of your audience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So then please,
Okay.
please ask. Yeah.
How will you help for our learners to learn about data?
Yeah, I will tell it to you that you are asking me that how will I help your learners to learn about data? This is the great question. Yeah, they are repeatedly asking me the good question. Okay, Mr. Deepak, I will use the very basics. I will give you everything on this channel. Dataism with Shubham. You will get everything about the data. Like, you will know about the data science, about the data analytics, about the more data options. But we will we will learn it slowly and slowly and slowly. We will go the deeper, like the data science topics or data analytics topics, like Python, like Java, like SQL, like Power BI, like Tableau, like other things are there. We will learn everything on this channel. That is totally free. There is no charge to anyone for anything we are teaching. We will teach on our screen, that you can see that we will if we will teach you, then we will use our screen. I have give you a demo. Okay. Now we are going to an introduction to all of you. That's why we are not teaching you. But after the completion of demo, from tomorrow, we'll learn it regularly. Okay. But I am promising to everyone, to every your YouTube subscriber, that if he has not a background of IT, if he has not done any BTech in his career, any other degree, in that even if he has not any knowledge of technology, even after he will going to learn the data science, he will going to learn about data analytics. This impact we are going to give the, and we are not going to charge anything for this. We will give you everything. Have you understand what how we are going to learn about the data? We are going to learn about data deeply, slowly and slowly, with the topics we will cover. With the slowly. Like first we will cover Python and the other topics in our channel. But before starting the program, we will surely promising you that you will not feel any difficulties while learning data science with us, because we will cover everything from the basics, from the ABCD, and we will grow. We will grow to the highest level. Mr. Deepak, you can ask your next question.
How we will how we will learn this? I am asking about the schedule.
I think you are asking about the data. That how will we learn about data? What will be the schedule of class? I think, yeah, that's a great question also, because our audience will think about the classes, the timings, the other stuff. So, Mr. Deepak, we will learn about the data science uh, with the regular basis. I will try my best that I will not make any any gap between the classes. I think it can be a gap on Sunday or Saturday. That is the different thing. But I will try to take class on this both days. But Mr. Deepak, the timing of class will be in the evening. Classes will be live. If classes are live, your audience can also ask me the question.
Every day and
Yeah, it will be, the classes will be every day.
every day.
Every day in the evening. Then now the next question appears. What will be the time?
The time. The time is
No. I think we should not clear the time today. I am saying this to you because we will issue a notification on YouTube that we are going to taking the class at this time,
at this time.
or other time. We will write the time in the post that we are going to class. Sometimes it will be 8 p.m. Time it will from 8:30 p.m. Sometime it will from 9 p.m. Sometime it will from 7 p.m. So the class time may vary. That's why I am saying to you that we will post everything before starting of the class. I think that will be great choice.
Like
Because it can happen that I am busy in some other stuff at 7 p.m. and and I have put your class at 7 p.m. Yeah, I can say your class daily. I take your class at 7 p.m. and at that particular day I was busy in a work, missed. That's why I'm not clearing the time. We can say that we will take class every day, but the timings are vary. The class may be at 7 p.m., at 7:30 p.m., at 8 p.m., at 9 p.m., at. So is it any problem for your audience?
no.
No. Okay, thank you. That is not creating any problem to our audience. So I think there is some disturbance in my throat. That's why I'm again disturbed the audience. But sorry for that. But I am asking you, Mr. Deepak, have you any other questions to ask me, or we should end the session?
No. I want to not ask you other questions.
Okay, I think you are
And-
going to end the session. So the audience, we are going to end the session of today. If you have any doubt regarding the topics we have covered in today's class, then you can write it in the comment box. That is open for you. If you have not any doubt and you are going to start the career in data science or data analytics, then you can join us, subscribe us, share this video. A lot of people, by sharing this video, you will get to know about the new oil. The new oil. Uh, uh, we have learned about the new word, that is new oil. So we will use this word again and again, because this is going to be a new oil. Data is going to be the new oil, really. Why I'm saying this? Because data, yeah, an influencer has told, I have listened him. He's told that data is data. Data is going to the god of the next century, next generation. That's why we are saying that data is very important, and we will learn about the data analytics in this course very deeply. So tell your audience that subscribe and share this channel, and subscribe the every uh, not every channel, subscribe this channel and share every video, like our video, comment your questions to us. By asking the questions or the different things, we will going to giving the answer of your any issue. Deepak Singh wants to say something. We will listen to him also. I think, do you want to ask something?
No.
No, there is nothing. Okay. So class, we are going to end the session. This is very great session. This is very pleasurable session that we take with you. We have learned too much things in the session, and you are also going to learn too much things with us in these sessions. So, so subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye.